Alright, what's poppin'? It's your boy Big Rich, Queens, New York City, where we get busy. Tuesday evening business. Ladies and gentlemen, just come on in, wipe your feet on the rug. You know the routine. Throw some smoke in the atmosphere. I just lit up some Iceman. And if you're saying it like I'm thinking it, you're right. Big Rich gets all the flavors. Let's get right into business. Today's mob story is sponsored by my man Luigi Mealy, LTC Nutrition and Performance. This is my brother from north of the border. For all my Canadian listeners, go follow him on Instagram. Go check his website out. Health is wealth. Don't you forget it. Big Rich just took his vitamins. Let's get right into business. Mob Story Season 3. This next story coming out of Cosa Nostra. Nostra News by my man Ed Scarpo. Salute to you, sir. Happy holidays. Hope everything's well. Heavy is the head that wears the crown. Updates on legal proceedings for two Colombo bosses. Reputed Colombo boss Andrew Mush Russo, who was among the indicted in the recent case related to the longtime pilfering of a labor union, was to be released from jail last week on $10 million bond, while Vic Orena, the Colombo acting boss, who opposed Russo and other Persico loyalists in the bloody 1991-1992 Colombo War, and who is so deranged these days he believes he's the President of the United States, will remain locked up at the Federal Medical Center, Devers in Massachusetts. Russo's release and the denial of Orena's compassionate release were set forth in separate Brooklyn federal court rulings, both of which were highlighted in a daily news report last week by Noah Goldberg and Larry McShane. Helping spring Russo, 87, from the Brooklyn Metropolitan Detention Center, was about $7 million in property that was put up as collateral. He was allowed to bond out after Chief Magistrate Judge Cheryl Pollack ruled that Russo posed no threat to the community because of his health issues, which include dementia, she noted. Well, you see, here's a fair judge. Judge Cheryl Pollack, thank you for using logic. The man's 87. Who is he going after? Let's apply this rule to a lot of other people that are locked up with bad health. Who are they going to hurt? The terms of Russo release include home confinement, GPS monitor, and a ban on contact with 13 co-defendants and anyone else linked to the mafia. Russo should have been released last Thursday, the news reported, following the completion of a perfunctory paperwork and a doctor's evaluation. As for Orena, who is wheelchair-bound and suffering from dementia, Brooklyn Federal Court Judge Eric Committee denied his compassionate release filing, which details the 87-year-old Orena's various health problems, which include dementia, Alzheimer's disease, diabetes, glaucoma, and heart problems. Obviously, Judge Eric Committee doesn't think like the Honorable Judge Cheryl Pollack by using logic as a form of law. Logic here. Come on. As per the news, committee noted, I have considered Orena's arguments and I am left with the inescapable conclusion that any sentence short of life term imposed would insufficiently reflect the seriousness of the offense conduct here and fail to provide just punishment. Committee described Vic Orena as a singular figure in the annals of the Colombo family. Quote, he rose to a leadership role, becoming acting boss in 1988, and his efforts to cling to power triggered a bloody war. The judge wrote, Orena oversaw a campaign of violence that resulted in a swath of death and serious injury. Orena's son Andrew Orena said the family's attorney would appeal the decision. As you should, Andrew, as you should. So just a little update of what's going on. Now, the story came out yesterday, so according to the story, he should already be out. So I'm going to try to find that out and maybe slip it in the next mob story. First of all, I'd like to thank Luigi Mealy from LTC Nutrition and Performance. Check out his website. Check out his Instagram. If you guys are in his area, health is wealth. That's all I can say. That's logic. Salute to Ed Scarpo from CosaNostraNews.com for the report. Salute to you, sir. Respect always. What can I say? Big Rich, Queens, business. Let me know what you're smoking on. Let me know what city you're smoking in. And we'll talk soon. Salute.